My name is Craig Newell, and we own Craig Newell Welding and Fabricating in Cambridge Springs, Pennsylvania. We have a very diverse customer base, and we work with all types of materials. We've had a tremendous amount of disruption, and this pandemic has been unique in the fact that how smoothly the PPP loan money happened, the role that the bank played in it. They were a tremendous help.
Getting to know the people, coming to a place like Craig's here, you get to walk around the shop and you get to see something different every day. Even the people in these communities don't know the businesses that are there and the impact they have on their community.
The bank was a huge help. They were looking out for us, I felt. So we're very grateful for that, and they've always been an important part in our business and will continue to be for years to come.